Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Moto E6i, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, let's start by disabling all unnecessary features. So open the control panel and disable all you don't need. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable Wi-Fi if you're using mobile internet. Disable mobile internet if you are using Wi-Fi. Then disable newbie share. Click Edit. Find location. Move it up apart. Disable location services. Click Close. And cool. Then, of course, the last step you can do is to open the settings and find here battery and click power saving optimization. Then choose battery saver, click power saving mode, go back, low power saver, and here you can set up battery saver in a auto enabling percentage. For example, if you I don't know, 15% of battery, so your power saving mode will automatically enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.